Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MDR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? I offer a quick explanation video right there. So if you go there, I will explain it to you in detail. I've done this analysis several times before, but it's been a little while since the last update I did. But after today's price movement, not really necessarily just today's, but really the past fews, because the price continues to grind higher and higher. But the overall chart definitely needs an update here. So let's get some levels put into place here. First, from an support perspective, and what I would call the ideal level of support, that would be right here at $2.30. Now, when I say ideal, that just means if you're to ask, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? I would say, well, yeah, ideally, if the price can stay above $2.30, that would be a massive sign of power. With that being said, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that if the price drops below $2.30, then that implies the entire chart is destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could somehow manage to stay up above $2.30, that would definitely be a great sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself goes higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Sure, staying above 230 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going forward? Nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact of where the price essentially ran out of steam today, and that was right up there around the $2.50 mark. So 250, first initial level of resistance going forward. If the price can get up through 250, I realize the chart's harder to see here, but that's a good problem to have when you have to go back this far in the chart's history. But after 250, next key level up there at $2.60. Although resistance levels really don't matter. What do I mean by that? What matters is what the price has already been doing, and that is this right here. As long as the price continues to chip away and build these higher lows, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations and chipping away at those higher bases and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.